Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone. So today I am going to start exercise 26, circumference and area of a circle. Here it's a circle and here r is the radius of that circle. So the diameter of the circle that equal to 2r. That means diameter always double of the radius. So now next thing is you have to learn the circumference and area of the circle. The formula to find out the circumference, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the formula to find out the circumference. That means this one, the outer line. And next one, pi r square. Pi r square is the formula of area of a circle. So here the first one. Here problem number 1, find the circumference and area of each of the following circles. So here the first one, radius equal to 14 centimeter, it's given. So circumference equal to formula 2 pi r and the value of pi equal to 22 by 7. So here 2, then pi and then r, and that equal to 88 centimeter. Now next one, area, formula equal to pi r square. Now r square means r into r. So that's why written here 22 by 7, which is pi, and here r equal to 14. So r square means r into r. So 14 into r, and that equal to 616 centimeter square. Now next one, sum number 2. Find the diameter of the circles whose circumference equal to 308. So if circumference equal to 308 and let radius be r, then according to the problem 2 pi r, which is the formula of circumference, so 2 pi r equal to 308, and from that equation r equal to 308, here pi, so reciprocal of pi 7 by 22 into half, and that equal to 49. So 49 is the radius, so diameter equal to double, and that equal to 98. Now next, area equal to 962.5 centimeter square. Now you have to find out the diameter. So formula equal to pi r square. So pi r square equal to 962.5. Then r square equal to 962.5 into 7 by 22. So 22 divided 96225, that becomes 43.75. So here r square equal to 306.25. Then r equal to root over, and you will get 17.5. Now if radius equal to 17.5, then diameter equal to double of radius, and that equal to 35 centimeter. Now sum number 3. Two where circles of diameter 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter are cut and then joined to big circle of radius k centimeter. Find the value of k. So here the diameter of the first circle 28 centimeter, so radius equal to 14 centimeter. The diameter of the second circle 35 centimeter, so radius equal to half, that means 17.5 centimeter. Now as these two circles are cut and joined to make a big circle, that means first you have to find out the circumference of these two circles. Okay, so the formula will be 2 pi r, that means 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. So if 2 pi will be common, then there becomes r1 plus r2. Here r1 equal to 14 and r2 equal to 17.5. So here 2 into pi into 31.5 centimeter. Now it's given that the radius of the big circle that equal to k. So according to the problem 2 pi k that equal to 2 pi 31.5. So that's written here 2 pi 31.5. So 2 pi will be cancelled out. So k equal to 31.5. Sum number 4. The circumference of circular pond is 396. What is its area? So first let r be the radius of the pond. So here according to the problem 2 pi r that equal to 396. So from here r equal to 63. Now if r equal to 63, then area equal to same formula pi r square, that means r into r, so that equal to 12474 centimeter square. Now sum number 5. The diameter of a wheel is 98 centimeter. So if diameter equal to 98, then radius equal to half, that means 49 centimeter. In how many revolution will it cover a distance of 1540 meter? So first you have to find out the circumference of the wheel. So here the circumference equal to 2 pi r, and that equal to 308. Now total distance equal to 1540 meter. So first you have to convert this meter into centimeter. So that is equal to 154,000 centimeter. Now you have to divide this total distance by the circumference. Now you will get number of revolution, and that equal to total distance by one circumference, and that equal to 500. So 500 is the required answer. Sum number 6. If the difference between the circumference and the diameter of a circle is 30 centimeter, so let r be the radius. So circumference equal to 2 pi r and diameter equal to 2r. So here 2r will be common, then pi, value of pi 22 by 7, then minus, and here 1, that equal to 30. So r equal to 15 by 7, here 30 into this 2 will be here, so half, so r equal to 7, and that is the required radius of the circle. Now sum number 7. Find the perimeter and area of each of the following shapes represented by the bold lines. Okay, so here these three are the bold lines, and it's given is 14 centimeter. If this one is 14, then this one also 14. Now you can easily understand this is the 1/4 part of a circle. Okay, this is the 1/4 part of a circle. That means the 1/4 perimeter, or 1/4, this one, the 1/4 circumference, that equal to 2 pi r into 1/4, because this is the 1/4 part of a circle, this one. So the length of this part equal to 2 pi r into 1 by 4, and that equal to 22. Now you have to find out the total perimeter. That means this one plus this one plus this one. So 24 plus 14 plus 14, and that equal to 50 centimeter. That is the first one. Now second one, you have to find out the area. Same thing will be happen here. This is the 1/4 part. That means the area will be 1/4. Now formula of the area, that equal to pi r square. So here pi r square into 1/4, and that equal to 154 centimeter square. Second one, that is the diagram. Here these 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the bolded lines, and these are the dotted lines. So you have to only consider the bold lines. That means to find out the perimeter, you have to add this length, this one, and this one. Okay, so here the first one, this one is a semicircle. That means a half circumference. This one also a semicircle. If this one equal to 14 centimeter, then this will be, this dotted line will be 14, and the half of the line equal to 7. That means 7 is the radius of this small circle. 7 is the radius of this small semicircle, not full circle, it's a semicircle. And here 21, so half of 21 equal to 10.5. That means 10.5 is the radius of this semicircle. Okay, so first you have to find out the circumference, the half circumference of this semicircle. Again you have to find out the half circumference of this semicircle, and then you have to add 14 and 21. So your total perimeter equal to 14 plus 21, that means this one plus this one, and the formula of circumference equal to 2 pi r. As you have to find out the half circumference, that means only pi r. So pi into 10.5, and this one also pi r, so pi into 10, 7, as 7 is the radius. So 14 plus 21, then 33 plus 22, and that becomes 90 centimeter. Now the next thing you have to find out the area. So here there are total 3 areas. First one, the area of a rectangle, that means 14 into 21, so 14 into 21, length into breadth. Second one, you have to find out the area of this semicircle, and third one, you have to find out the area of this semicircle. So it's a half, that means half into pi r square. Pi r square is the formula, so half into pi r square. And second one also half into pi r square. So that means 294, here 693 by 4, and here 77. So final answer is 544 whole 1 by 4 centimeter square. This is 7 part 3. This is the last sum in this video. I hope you like my video. Please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe our channel. So here is the diagram. This one 16, this one 16, it's given, and these are the bold lines, and this is the dotted lines. Okay, that means here 28 is the dotted lines. That means here you have to find out the area, the area of this one from this one. Okay, and also you have to find out the circumference. So here total perimeter. So here total perimeter equal, that means first you have to add this 16 and this 16, and then this one you have to find out the length of this one and this one. As 28 is the length of this one, then the half of 20 equal to 14. that means it's a semicircle and it one also a semicircle. So 14 and here also 14, this one 14 and this one 14. So to find out the length of this, you have to find out the half circumference. Half circumference means pi r. Okay, so here pi r is 14, not 4. So pi r, that's 7 whole 2, and here pi r 7 14 2. So 16 plus 16, then 22 into 2 minus 20, 44, and again 44, and that equal to 120 centimeter. Now next thing, you have to find out the area. So here first you have to find out the area of this rectangle, and that equal to 28 into 16. Next you have to add the area of this semicircle, that equal to 22 by 7, that is pi r square. Okay, so here half into pi r square, this is the area total, so that means it half, so 14 by 2, and here also, and then you have to subtract the area of that semicircle. As this one is the dotted line, that means you have to subtract the area of this semicircle. So here the area of these two semicircle will be equal. So that means first you have to add this one, then you have to subtract this one. That means you can easily neglect the area of this one. So here as first write down plus 22 by 7 into 14 by 2, and second subtract 22 by 7 into 14 by 2. Okay, so this will be cancel out. So 448, that means 28 into 16, so 448 centimeter square is the final answer.